In this video, I am presenting you one of the most interesting math puzzles. Fill the correct values in the box so that it satisfies every possible equation. This problem does definitely raise a lot of questions in the mind about the approach required to solve the problem with the correct answer in less time. I will present you the most efficient way to get the correct answer. Pause the video and give it a try before checking the solution, and do not forget to comment if you have found something interesting. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so that you do not miss any of our videos. Let's check the solution now. If you start randomly picking some number and placing in the box, it will not work most of the time. The most efficient way to solve this problem is by creating equations. Let's call the boxes as B1, B2, B3 and B4. Let's quickly write the equations. As per the diagram, the equations are B1 plus B2 equals 14, B1 plus B3 equals 15, B2 plus B4 equals 16, B3 minus B4 is equal to 10. By adding all equations, the equation becomes B1 plus B2 plus B1 plus B3 plus B2 plus B4 plus B3 minus B4 equals 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 10. We can cancel here B4, and solving this equation will yield B1 plus B2 plus B3 equals 55 divided by 2, which is equal to 27.5. Let's call this equation as original equation, that is B1 plus B2 plus B3 equals 27.5. This original equation can be written as B3 equals 27.5 minus of B1 plus B2. But we know B1 plus B2 is 14, hence the value of B3 is 27.5 minus 14, which equals to 13.5. Once we get the value of one variable, it becomes easy to solve for other variables. Now we know the value of B3 is 13.5. We will keep this B3 value in order to solve other variables. The original equation can also be written as B2 equals 27.5 minus of B1 plus B3. But we know B1 plus B3 is 15. Hence the value of B2 is 27.5 minus 15, which equals to 12.5. Now consider other equations to solve for other variables. We know from the initial equations B1 plus B2 equals 14. After rewriting the equation becomes B1 equals 14 minus B2. Since the value of B2 is 12.5, the value of B1 becomes 14 minus 12.5, which equals to 1.5. Similarly, from initial equations, we know B3 minus B4 equals 10, and this equation can be rewritten as B4 equals B3 minus 10. Since the value of B3 is 13.5, the value of B4 is 13.5 minus 10, which equals to 3.5. So now we have all the values. That is B1 is 1.5, B2 is 12.5, B3 is 13.5 and B4 is 3.5. Now you can place these values in the boxes and you can cross check whether these values satisfy all the equations. So by following these simple steps, we can solve the problem in less than 1 minute. So that's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try to answer as soon as possible. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, hit a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are having a similar interest. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video with one more exciting problem. Thank you.